Namaste. So today we are going to learn 2 more poses to relieve your periods pain. So girls who are suffering from a lot of pain during periods can perform these 2 postures. So let's see how to perform. So first sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana, we need to have our knees together, heels, feet or toes together and heels are apart, and we need to sit onto our heels. Now for Balasana, which are going to relieve your back pain and your stomach pain, we can take distance between your heels or we can not take distance between your feet, right? And we just need to bend forward, relax your forehead onto the ground and hands beside your legs and be there. Or you can just take your hands forward and relax your forehead onto the ground. Slowly come back and release. So the second posture is side bending. So in this posture, we just need to keep our one leg outside and one leg inside. So we just need to grab our big toe, right big toe, with our 2 fingers of right hand, and then we just need to bend towards our right side and be here. Focus on your breathing. If you can bend a little more, that's totally fine. If you cannot, just do in your limit. Slowly inhaling, come back and release the posture. So this posture is going to give you relief from your sides. It will stretch your sides and give you a relief from your periods pain. And even in Balasana, which we have done before this posture, that posture is going to give you a lot of pain relief from your stomach and your back. So these are the very good postures performed during period pain. Or there is a myth that you cannot perform any posture during periods. These postures are specially for periods. Thank you so much for watching to me. Namaste.